You can expect a lot from the 2020 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van leads among competitors in its segment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a power seat, heated seats, a power liftgate, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.